guys, welcome back to my new cooking channel Minati's Kitchen. So today I'm going to share a fish recipe with Indian touch and Bengali style. So let's start. Adding some oil here, refined oil I'm using. You can use mustard oil as well. I'm heating the pan. Now I'm adding the fish and I will frying it well, maybe around 2 to 5 minutes, and turn over the fish very carefully because it might break. Now in the same oil I'm adding some red chili and some dry spices and tomatoes. I will fry them for 2 to 5 minutes and then I'm adding some turmeric powder and saute them well. Now I'm adding poppy seed and mustard seed paste. I have grinded them well